This package from Amazon, and it's candles in it, and I'll show you where I won't have a hot mess anymore. Got a package in the mail, and it's some candles that I need, and I want to show you why I need these candles so it won't be a hot mess trying to climb up and cut this candle on and off. Now I can just simply use my remote and cut them on. But I'll show you in a few minutes what you'll need are batteries. At least get 8 or 2 packs of 8, because it's gonna take 2 batteries for each one of them, and a flashlight, guys, because you gotta be able to see those letters, raw small letters. I needed a flashlight. I got these in the package, candles, and I'll show you that I want to put the batteries in there the right way, guys. Put the batteries in there the right way. I dropped the little thing. Make sure you turn the batteries the right way. The best way I know how to put it is to spring down, and then you know the other one is going to be the opposite. Then simply put this on here. You see the spring. Put this on here. Turn it on. And the way you know, the best way you know how to get one is you see it looks like a flame. See how it's shaped. And sit it down. On the remote, you can use the remote. Turn it on green. It's on green. Off, red. And then you can turn it on, set it for 2 hours or 4 hours. I usually like to do 4 hours. And you can use candle. The word candle, look at that, the word candle. Batteries from Dollar Tree. It was I think it was an 8-pack. And see, this is on the remote where it says on, off, 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours. If you're having a party, 8 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours would be perfect. You can set candle or light, dim it, or you can set it for brighter. This is a really nice investment, guys. Everybody should have these in their house. I think I might do presents next year. Great idea. And you're going to spend money on something that everybody can use. These candles, because you see, I don't want to climb up here every night, guys, and turn these on and off. I want to be able to let them come on by themselves. I like to walk in the house, if I'm out shopping or going to a family member house or somewhere, come home and they're on. I will show you later when they're on. Let me show you after I put them up. These are some more candles that I bought from Sam's. They're fine, they're perfect, but these are where you need to put them somewhere stable where you can just use the remote, turn them on and off. And I think I got 4 for $11 at Sam's. I got these from Amazon. I'll list it at the bottom. Okay, so I have the candles in now. There's a big difference. I'm thinking about ordering the fatter ones. These are skinny. But right now I'm going to use these. But I don't know if you can tell or not. But these will be on at night. If you come home at night, they'll be on. These are perfect investment, guys. Perfect. What about those storms? You have a storm and you have candles. All you gotta do is keep the batteries in your house. When you know there's a storm on the way, you use it, you know it. So this is my big hot mess, and I wanted to do this. It's beautiful. Now these will come on in 4 hours. I'll set it for 4 hours, which will be tonight. And I might show you the night version of it. Beautiful. They are great birthday presents, Christmas presents, just a gift to a friend. You can't beat it. Send them a package of batteries and their candles. To tell you guys, it comes with 2 remotes, so always have one from yourself and put it where you can find it. Great idea. It comes with 2 remotes. And you get a set of 6, I think it is, or 8. Wow, these are perfect to use. I set my candle for, there is an 8-hour, 4 hours, 2 hours, and 6 hours. And you can use candle or light. I set mine for 8 hours, so if I leave the house, come back, it's on. Also, I did the same thing in my living room. I have my candles already set. So if I leave and come back home, they are on already. This is Loretta Living, showing you how you can save time, and you won't come home in the dark. These are beautiful gifts for people like maybe your kids or daughters who have new homes or whatever. And you can give people gifts or friends a gift with candles in their house.